how's it going? In this video we're going to show you how to manage your lot size using the position size calculator. So you're going to go ahead and choose the currency pair that you're trading. So let's say Euro USD. Then you're going to put your base currency that's in your trading account, which is in my case Great British pounds. And then let's just put, for example, 50,000 as the account balance. But let's say you have an account balance of 1,000, then you'd put 1,000. But we're going to put 50,000, and then we're going to do risk ratio. So risk ratio is very important. You know, most traders don't risk more than 1% risk, so that's what we're going to put in this case. And stop loss pips, we're going to put 30, but obviously if your trade is larger, then you need to put the correct stop loss pips, and that can be found on TradingView. And then you're going to leave that as it is on 1, calculate, and as you can see here, it's giving me 2.15 lots that I need to put as the lot size, and that's going to risk, of course, £500, which is 1% of my balance. Now let's say you have £1,000 in your account, stop loss pips 30, trade 1, and keep it the same, calculate. In your case it's going to be a lot size of 0.04 lots, risking £10, which is 1% of your £1,000. That would mean you'd need 100 losing trades in a row to blow your account, and that is why risk management is so important. You don't really want to be risking more than 1%, but let's say you're going to be really adventurous and you want to do 3%. Let's calculate 0.13. Okay, but let's stick to 1%. It's quite important to manage your risk responsibly. If you want to join our trading team, we send alerts each and every day. Then go to the description. And we can definitely help you get set up and show you how you can become funded as well. We've actually got some funding slots open. So definitely check that out in the description. And yeah, we'd love to help you.